All right, here you go. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Is that one of your favorite things to do?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a tiny excavator?
Yeah, tiny. It's green.
Look at her. She's got all the beach stuff ready. Oh, man. Let's get going. But first, we got to get Cash to school.
2 equals. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Where are you going today?
Beach.
The beach. Is Mama taking you?
And soon, she's also going to take one of my toys and my
Oh.
equals 5.
Huh.
2 toys.
What are you doing?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Today's beach day for Kason. Because Mom already took you, right, Cash?
Cash was being a fat on that.
Really?
Said I can leave in my room.
Wow, that's awesome. Let's get ready for the beach, dude.
And leave the phones back.
Oh, okay. That's nice of them to give you that.
I did.
You are? Where are we?
Beach.
What do you have?
Beach toys.
Yeah? All right.
Look at that.
Go running. How does it feel? That's a really nice sound. Hey, say bye-bye. Go ahead. He has been dying to smash the castle. Was that fun?
Now let's make another one.
Gonna make another one? Okay.
With no water.
Kason and I were going for a walk. And we found this little guy.
The butterfly.
It's a butterfly. So we picked him up and hopefully he's alive. So hopefully he dries out and can fly away, right, baby? Isn't he pretty? All right, be gentle. Be gentle.